Faux calligraphy, the art of simple yet elegant lettering. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and creative aspect of the English language, faux calligraphy. This term might sound complex, but by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means, but also appreciate its beauty and simplicity. Let's dive into the world of faux calligraphy together. Faux calligraphy, essentially, is the art of simulating traditional calligraphy using regular writing instruments like pens, markers, or pencils. The word faux is a French term meaning fake or imitation. So, faux calligraphy is about creating the illusion of calligraphy without the need for specialized calligraphy tools. It's a simple yet effective way to beautify your handwriting, and it's accessible to everyone, regardless of their artistic skills. Faux calligraphy is based on three key elements. 1. Base lettering. You start by writing a word or phrase in your normal handwriting. 2. Thickening the downstrokes. Identify the downstrokes in each letter, which are the parts of the letter where you move the pen downward. You then thicken these downstrokes by adding an extra line and filling in the space. 3. Adding flair. Finally, you can add embellishments like dots, swirls, or shading to give your faux calligraphy a personal touch. Understanding these elements helps create the distinct style of faux calligraphy that mimics traditional calligraphy. Faux calligraphy is more than just a writing style, it's a tool for creativity and expression. It's perfect for personalizing gifts and cards, creating unique artwork, improving handwriting skills, relaxation and mental focus. Moreover, learning faux calligraphy can be a stepping stone to mastering traditional calligraphy, as it helps you understand the basics of letter forms and strokes. And there you have it. Faux calligraphy is a fun, accessible, and creative way to enhance your writing and artistic skills. Whether you're using it to personalize your journal or to create beautiful artwork, the possibilities are endless. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of faux calligraphy. Keep practicing, and don't forget to add your own personal flair to your creations. Happy writing, and see you in our next video.